Like we saw the inventory function and item list. Today we'll be exploring the various features relating to issue and receiving items. So under the item list, I can see that various items are present over here. Now if I click on any item, so let's say we'll go on pens, I just click on it. And over here I can see that all the information that we had listed for pens is over here. So availability, stock, reorder level is nothing but the level. If I can set this level, and if the inventory for pens in this case falls below that level, the system will send me an alert that I need to order more of it. So if I set the reorder level as 5, if at any point the current stock level falls below 5, the system will tell me that I need to order more items. Similarly, there is the maximum stock, the stock I can hold in my inventory at most, minimum stock, which is the minimum stock that I need to maintain for pens. Sales price, if I would have listed it, it can show over here, or it is an optional feature, so I can leave that out as well. And the other details, if there would have been any, it would have shown over here. Similarly, these are all customizable features, and I can add or delete information as per my convenience, which is the category, measuring unit. So if the pens are getting measured in number, in this case, if it would have been some liquid, it would have been liters, kg in case of dates, etc. I can also add vendor details, who I regularly get the stock from, and this can help me keep track. Tax slabs, if I would have added, it shows over here and it comes in handy for issue and receive orders. HSN code and any other customizable fields. So if apart from this I want to add a field with a document, I can just go on this customizable field and add it by clicking on the plus sign. Apart from that, the first feature that we are going to see in inventory item is the issue feature. So when it comes to issuing inventory basically means that I am issuing certain level of stock from my inventory, in this case for pens, to an employee or someone else in my facility. So when stock flows out of my inventory, we call it an issue, and issue orders are created for every transaction that is made. So over here in the history, you can see that all in all, 2 issue orders were created, and this was the quantity going out, price, and who it was going to. So mostly they are people from your facility, your staff, etc., who you make the issue orders for. And similarly, to create an issue order, you just go on the item, click on issue plus sign over here, and these are all the fields that you need to fill out. However, only the mandatory fields here are the employee. So you'll have to select the name of the employee you are issuing your items to. So in this case, if I'm issuing it to Amit, I will select his name. And issue to different item stock is a feature, an optional feature, where if I'm issuing certain number of items from the stock of this goods to a stock of another goods in my inventory, then I will select the issue to item different stock and select the other item to whose inventory the pens are going to. But for now, we'll leave that out. This is an optional feature. And unit number, similarly, if I want to select, I can select that. Other than that, reference fields, this is for your convenience. You can fill it or leave it out. Notes, if any miscellaneous stuff can be added over here. Any picture, file, document that you want to attach with this issue order can be added. Now for the items down below, since we are issuing pens, I will select the item. The system is telling me currently 2 units of the pens are available. So for now we are issuing just 1 pen to Amit. And apart from pens, to Amit on this date, which is very important, it must be accurate. If on this date and to Amit, I need to issue more than one item, Then I will simply click on the plus sign over here, and if I'm issuing him a ceiling fan as well, or a tea sachet, if I'm issuing a tea sachet to Amit on this date with pens, then I will select 10 tea sachets and one pen. And now you can see that the system is telling me total two types of item are getting issued. In all 11 units of the items, that's 10 plus 1 are getting issued. And if I would have added the price details, like over here 100, then if there would have been any tax slabs that were configured in the system, the system automatically calculates and makes an issue order for it. So for now we leave that out, and just by filling out the item quantity, category, and the employee name and date, you can make an issue order, and the other fields are completely subjective. So when once I click on issue, this issue order got saved successfully, and you can see that under issue orders, a new order for 10 tea sachets and one pen that was on today's date, 5th of February, got issued to Amit, and these are all the options available. So this was all for issuing items from my inventory. Thank you.